Hi, I'm Madalyn Sklar, and I'm excited to welcome you to Social Media and AI Shortcuts. This is a community where we come together to master both social media and artificial intelligence, two powerful tools that can completely transform how we work. I know how overwhelming it can be to try to keep up with the constantly changing world of social media, and now with AI in the mix, it can feel impossible to stay current. That's exactly why I created this community. I'm going to lead the charge and bring together amazing people like yourself, forward-thinking professionals who want to work smarter, not harder. Together, we'll share strategies, time-saving tips, and practical resources with each other that make a real difference in our day-to-day work. One of the best parts, you'll get direct access to me inside the community. You can ask me anything about social media or AI, and I'll help you cut through the noise to find what actually works. No fluff, just real actionable solutions. And here's what makes us even better. This community, are you ready for it? It's completely free. That's right, you heard what I said. I want to remove all the barriers because I believe we can accomplish so much more together than we can alone. So I want you to be able to join with no hassles. Inside, you'll find access to step-by-step systems, a private resource library, and opportunities to connect with like-minded professionals who are on the same journey. If you're ready to stop feeling overwhelmed and start getting real results with both social media and AI, join us today. I promise you'll love being part of this community. Come join us now. I'll see you on the other side.